Hey all, we are going to the Geo World Drive today in BKC and mom is there with me. So we'll have lots of fun. Stay tuned with us. So now she is waiting to reach the mall.
One of the biggest Apple store in whole of Maharashtra is in the GeoWorld Drive. In India, there are two big stores from Apple. One is in Delhi Saket and one is in GeoWorld Drive. So for Apple lovers, this place is amazing.
So we are going to the White Coin Geo World Drive. Mom is already standing there.
GeoWorld Drive is exactly 2.5 to 3 kilometers from GeoWorld Plaza. The difference between these two malls is GeoWorld Plaza is only with the luxury brands, and GeoWorld Drive you have both luxury as well as the other brands which is affordable. The packaging of these biscuits and chocolates are amazing, very colorful. You all can see me doing shooting in the mirror, and I'm just thinking of grabbing one of them. The White Crow is very famous for their tea collections. They have got multiple varieties of teas with different flavors. I just can't take off my eyes from these chocolate biscuits due to their lovely packaging, and it reminds me of my young days. When I was young and I used to go in a mall with my mom. So each and every time I used to go there, she used to tell me that I'll have to do good in the exam and then I will be able to, get one toy or a gift. But nowadays it's so easy for the kids that life has become so fast and so much digital that each and every kids will be with their mobile phones or their laptops or their iPads. So, the time flies.
In this White Crow, you've got clothes, you've got bags, and you've got tea, and the teapots, and the cups and mugs, and chocolates and everything. But the store is beautiful, it's amazing. Very nice and lovely collections. I'm enjoying it. So finally came to the billing counter, done with my shopping in White Crow. I had a wonderful time. They've got lovely collections.
So, after completing our shopping from White Crow, we have come to this nine dine place where, there are several restaurants and we just need to scan and choose from one of them. It's a beautiful place with a lot of options of food here.
So today I've totally forgotten to shoot while we were eating here in Nine Dine. So now going towards home. After I reach home, I'll share with you all what all I shopped. Done with our shopping. Now going towards home from Geo World Drive.
Reached home just now, and this is the dark chocolate coated biscuits which I got from the White Crow. And the packaging is amazing. It's beautiful. I'm feeling like looking at the packaging again and again. So normally we see mug for coffee, but this is a mug for tea where it's written the time for tea, and which attracted my eyes to buy this mug. So mention in the comment section if you're a tea or a coffee lover and what kind of tea or coffee do you prefer.
So you all have seen what all I have shopped from the Geo World Drive today. And I and mom had a wonderful time over there, chit chatting and all, and loved roaming around the mall and shopping from there. So she already gone to sleep because it's late. So that's all for today now. It's time to say good night. Until next, me, Paulomi, signing off from Welcome to My World. Bye.